Hello everyone. Welcome back to My English Storybook, your favorite place to learn English through beautiful stories and real-life lessons. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a heartwarming story, My Family, a story about love, support, and togetherness. This lesson will help you improve your vocabulary, understand sentence structure, and learn how to talk about your family in English. So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's begin our story. A family is one of the greatest gifts from God. It doesn't matter who you are. Every living being needs love, support, and care. And all of this comes from one special place, family. Without family, life feels incomplete. A family is where we share our joys and tears, our dreams and fears. It is the one place that stands by us, especially when life gets tough. I feel blessed because I have a beautiful family. My mother, my father, my sister, and me. Together, we are a strong, happy, and loving family. My mother is truly the strongest woman I know. She does everything. She takes care of the home, cooks delicious meals, helps us with school, and still manages to run her own restaurant. Yes, she's an entrepreneur too. She manages a team of 30 people and still finds time to ask me about my day. Isn't that amazing? She teaches us love, kindness, spirituality, and the value of education. Her presence gives our family a sense of balance and peace. Truly, she is the heart of our home. My father is a gentle, disciplined, and very hardworking man. He works as a software engineer in a multinational company, and because of his job, he often has to travel to the United States. Even though he's sometimes away, he always makes time for us when he's home. He makes us laugh with his jokes and shares valuable life lessons. One thing I've learned from him is to always be content with what I have. When he is with us, our home feels complete, joyful, and full of life. I truly want to grow up and be like him one day. My sister is 3 years older than me, and she is not just my sister, but my best friend. We fight sometimes, like all siblings do, but she always protects me. She's an amazing artist and helps me with my drawings. If anyone bothers me, she's the first to stand by my side. With her, I feel safe and understood. I live in a small joint family, which means my grandparents live with us too. A joint family teaches us love, patience, and values that you can't learn from books. Spending time with my grandparents is the best part of my day. They tell us stories, give us advice, and teach us about our culture and traditions. Even our dog is a part of our family. Yes, pets are family too. Family is our shield. It protects us from the problems of the outside world and gives us the strength to grow emotionally, mentally, and even spiritually. No matter what we face it together. That's the beauty of a loving family. My parents may not be rich, but they work hard to give us everything we need. Their love brings me closer to them and teaches me my responsibilities as a son and as a future adult. In many modern homes, elders don't live with the family anymore. This makes today's children miss out on valuable life lessons. Earlier, kids would listen to their grandparents' stories and play together as a family. But today, children spend too much time on mobile phones. We must bring back the love and bonding of traditional families. What a child becomes in life depends a lot on the kind of family they grow up in. A loving family helps even a weak child grow into a strong and successful person. Without proper guidance, even the smartest child can lose their way. I'm thankful to God for blessing me with a loving, supportive, and inspiring family. Now it's your turn, my dear viewers. In the comments, write a few lines about your family. Who is in your family? What do you love most about them? Practicing like this will help you improve your English, and you get to share your own beautiful story too. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to My English Storybook, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another heart-touching story. Keep learning, keep smiling, and always remember, your story is special. See you next time.